War dogs' epic fail. Soviet war dogs once blew up their own tanks by accident. During World War II, the Soviet military tried to train dogs to carry bombs under enemy tanks, expecting them to run toward advancing German armor. But the training had a fatal flaw: the dogs were only familiar with Soviet tanks, since those were what they practiced with. When released on the battlefield, the dogs instinctively ran toward the familiar scent and shape of their own side's tanks. The result was chaos, with explosive-laden dogs unintentionally destroying friendly vehicles and causing panic among Soviet troops. The tactic backfired so badly that the program was quickly abandoned. This bizarre chapter in military history highlights just how desperate and experimental wartime strategies could get, especially when conventional tactics weren't enough.